Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Chelsea Phillips. I am one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I would like to take you out on our lot today to show you one of our new arrivals. Here we have a 2015 BMW 3 Series 328i. It is a clean Carfax report with only one previous owner and comes with auto-dimming, power-heated mirrors with signals, lightly tinted glass, and much more. The 2015 BMW 3 Series is a well-rounded and highly desirable entry-level luxury car. This BMW has 17-inch star-spoke alloy wheels and all-season tires with lots of tread left. There's also a tire-specific low tire pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this BMW is in great condition. It has fully automatic aero composite halogen daytime running headlamps with delay off, along with fog lights, speed-sensitive rain-detecting wipers, and a nice chrome grille to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 4-cylinder 2.0-liter with an automatic transmission. This BMW has rear-wheel drive, and it's estimated that drivers receive 27 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget that this BMW only has 36,190 miles on it. At the back of the BMW, you will see the shark fin antenna, large brake lights, and sleek badging. Using your key fob, you can open the trunk lid for easy access to the cargo area. Looking to the cargo area, you see that it's very spacious and the back seats fold down easily for more space as needed. The cargo area also features a cargo net and lights for packing or unpacking at night. In the back seat, you'll notice that this BMW has been very well taken care of. Passengers can use the fold-down armrest with cup holders and the power outlet, as well as the seat back pockets. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice blue and metallic accents. Drivers will be very comfortable in the power-adjustable heated Sensatec leatherette seating with memory. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. This BMW is also equipped with a garage door opener, a tracking system, and a push-button start. Here are the easy-to-reach controls for the power side mirrors, the headlights, the power windows with express up and down. This BMW has a very comfortable tilting, telescoping, and leather-wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. Now here's a feature everyone can enjoy, the tilting and sliding power sunroof. The center stack is home to your multimedia and navigation features and is paired with a hi-fi sound system. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with a CD player. It's MP3, satellite radio, and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the aux port. You also have dual zone climate control, and everything you see is very easy to use. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.